Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone. We have significant severe weather that's happening today, and there was a categorical upgrade, which I was expecting to happen last night if you joined me last night. But if you're just now joining us, click that thumbs up button, comment where you're from, share this with your friends and family. It's very crucial because it's going to be a very dangerous day across the area here as we have moderate risk now up for parts of Missouri, down through the boot heel of Missouri, through far northern parts of Tennessee, and in through parts of Kentucky as well. That's a level 4 out of 5 risk for today. Down here towards Arkansas, through northeastern Texas, eastern Oklahoma, through the rest of Tennessee, northern parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, even all the way over towards the Carolinas. We're under enhanced risk for today. So severe thunderstorms appear likely from parts of the mid-Mississippi, Ohio, and Tennessee valleys into the southern plains. All severe hazards, including tornadoes, which some will be very strong, in excess of EF2 or greater, very large to giant hail. So we're probably talking at least 10 eggs up to possibly baseball size in a few spots, and potentially significant damaging goods are possible as well, probably up to 80 miles an hour on the winds. Okay, so let's go into each individual risk here. Then we'll go into future radar real quick for you so you can plan your afternoon. All right, here's the latest tornado outlook for today. This was just updated 11:45 from the Storm Prediction Center. It actually extended some of the significant tornado parameters down back into parts of northwestern Arkansas now, and northern Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma. So anywhere in that hatched area, significant tornadoes are possible in excess of EF2 or greater. Yellow shade, 10 to 14% probability of a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. In the brown, 5 to 9% probability of a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. And the green, 2 to 4% likelihood. Dangerous straight line winds is possible today as well, especially in that purple, like the pinkish purple area here. They got a 45 to almost 60% probability of severe wind gusts in excess of at least 60 miles an hour. And then anywhere in the hatched area of probability of greater than 74 miles per hour, which is hurricane force winds through most of Arkansas, Tennessee, and through parts of western Kentucky, and southern and southeastern Missouri is under the gun for this. All right, hail risk for the rest of today. We got significant probabilities of significant hail in this hatched area all the way down towards northeastern Texas through most of Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, through all of southern Missouri, over towards western Kentucky, western half of Tennessee, and far northwestern Mississippi. So significant hail, 2 inches in diameter, is hen eggs or limes. Basically, all the way up. We may get all the way up to baseball size today with a couple of these storms. All right, let's go to future radar real quick for you. Alrighty, here is the latest HRRR. We have this is at 1 o'clock. So it's basically right now. So we're gonna have some storm development back here north of Springfield, Missouri. Got some storms coming into the St. Louis area. Scattered storms all the way towards the Carolinas through to Kentucky, Tennessee. Even we have some development out here towards parts of eastern Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas. Even then, as we go forward here towards 3 o'clock. Storms starting to develop across southwest Missouri into northern Arkansas, even down here towards northeastern Texas. The one thing I want to tell you too, don't take this for gospel truth, okay? Because the environment is very, very unstable today. So any little trigger will get these storms to pop pretty fast across this area. So as watches get issued, that's when you need to start staying weather aware, because that's when the storms can start popping up pretty quickly across the area. Okay, but I'm just going to show you the latest guidance here. This is just guidance. Like I said, don't take this for gospel truth. Okay, so this is 4 o'clock. Another wave coming into St. Louis. Storms starting to develop down here in southwestern Arkansas. Maybe a storm or two, maybe in north of Memphis here as we go towards 4 or 5 o'clock hour. Lots of storms towards northern parts of Tennessee and through central Kentucky here. Very dangerous day out that way. Flash flooding is going to be another thing across Kentucky into parts of Tennessee as well. So you need to stay weather aware on that as well. So 7 o'clock tonight, here comes the storm development all the way down into parts of Texas, even south of Dallas, in through southwestern or southeastern Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas, southern Missouri. As we go towards 8, 9 o'clock tonight, these storms are really starting to get going and starting to press east across Arkansas. We'll be into the Little Rock area around midnight and just north of Memphis around midnight as well. Nashville, you're going to be getting hit probably a couple different times. Flash flooding is going to be a major issue across Kentucky into parts of Tennessee as well. Memphis, probably around 1 or 2 o'clock into your area. Nashville, like I said, you're going to get inches and inches of rain possibilities as we go throughout the night regarding this. And then this as we head towards 5 o'clock in the morning, the squall line is basically getting into parts of Mississippi, into Alabama and Georgia, and all this heavy rain behind it as well. So please stay weather aware today. There's your update for this afternoon. If I see anything else, I do have a post in there that shows the latest watches. You just have to, they're going to be posted in the comments, and I'm making multiple posts. I'm just trying to keep it simple for you all so you can get the information. All right. Stay safe out there. Have a way to get warnings. Stay weather aware, of course. Thank you for watching. Have a